People problems? The lab profile helps you reduce the disruption and costs of misalignment. The problem is a misalignment between a person's capabilities and their roles. With misalignment, you hire good people, but they don't always perform the way you want them to, so motivation fades and turnover increases and teams clash and there's resistance to change. The invisible drain. People problems aren't just interpersonal, they are business problems, which erodes performance, wastes resources, undermines culture. Your people problems are predictable and manageable if you know what to look for. Misalignment. What's really going on? Most managers guess or rely on personality assessments, but those don't fully predict how people actually behave at work. To avoid misalignment, you need to understand how each person thinks, decides, and acts. The lab profile is your solution. The language and behavior profile helps you understand each person's motivation and performance patterns and behavior in specific work contexts. It is based on that person's language, not on traits or types. It's practical, fast, and interview-based. What does the lab profile reveal? What each person can do and cannot do, and how to motivate and influence them. How they process information, what triggers their resistance, how they make decisions, and what kind of work environment they thrive in. It's like X-ray vision for behavior. Solving common business challenges. With the lab profile, you can avoid costly hiring mistakes. You can boost engagement and retention. You can prevent communication breakdowns. You can reduce resistance to change. And you can build high-performing teams. The organizational payoff? When people fit their roles, productivity rises, communication flows, culture improves, decision-making accelerates, turnover drops. It's the ROI of performance alignment. What you can do? Learn the lab profile. An online, on-demand video training which teaches you an interview which gets people to reveal what they can do and cannot do and how to motivate and influence them with real interview examples and coaching support. With it, you can align people with their tasks and give them and you better performance and results. Are you ready to eliminate misalignment before it costs you even more? Click the link in this video's description to learn more about the Lab Profiles online training program and what it can do for you and your organization.